Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Aegis Capital Healthcare and Tech Conference right here in Las Vegas. I have with me Mr. Barry J. Sanders. I'll call you Barry. I'll leave the J out for now. American DG Energy. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is ADGE. Barry, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Nice to meet you.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Give us a quick overview on the company.
American DG Energy is a company that basically has changed the paradigm of energy equipment. Instead of customers buying energy equipment for their building, we own it, we operate it, and we own it for 15 years. So they save money and we get a great cash flow over those 15 years.
So, this is interesting. Let's first of all, what kind of equipment so we get a general idea?
We basically use both very innovative energy equipment and actually some very common equipment. The most innovative equipment we use is called combined heat and power. What combined heat and power does, it basically makes electricity and hot water simultaneously. The process of making electricity always has a byproduct of heat. The problem with that is that for a power plant that's 500 miles away, you throw away the heat. If we now put the technology that makes electricity into a building, we can now utilize that heat and actually sell it right to the hotel. So the grid is 1/3 efficient. Our machine is almost 90% efficient because we use the heat. But beyond that, we also own mundane technology like boilers, chillers that make air conditioning, heat pumps. And so really what we sell our clients are electricity, heat, hot water, and cooling.
So give me an example besides a hotel of who some of your other customers could be.
Great. I mean, we sell, again, obviously to hotels, but nursing homes, a lot of healthcare, hospitals. We do a lot of multifamily residential, like apartment buildings, co-ops, and low-income and high-income, universities, institutions like that, corrections. We like to say they basically, you know, they're always there and they use a lot of energy and we love that. So good energy users in buildings that use the energy 24/7. And coincidentally, it's usually customers that consume, where customers actually live in the building.
So now, naturally, from an investment side and for our viewers, what are the advantages for a company using you, ADGE, as opposed to going through their own expenses and maintenance? And, you know, I want to get the lay of the land for benefits.
Absolutely. The number one benefit clearly is capital avoidance. Again, the traditional model is they have to use either their own capital or worse, have to go borrow money, and that eats up their debt capability. 2, we do sell the energy at a lower price, so clearly they save money. 3, we do everything. It's clearly one-stop shopping. So traditional model is they have to pick the technology, they then have to find an engineer to put it into the building, an installer, a contractor, a maintenance contractor. We do all that. And all they pay is a monthly bill of the energy they would have bought anyway, but now at a lower price.
So I have one question because I'm really bothered by something. Why wouldn't everybody use you?
It's a change in paradigm. It's a great question. We work very carefully. A not so funny joke that I always like to say is our technology is called combined heat and power, or CHP. We actually have a subsidiary now, EUSP, Eurosite Power in the UK. In the UK, the technology is pretty common. But so if you went to a managing director of a hotel group in the UK and you said CHP, they would say, okay, combined heat and power. Unfortunately, in the US, if you say CHP, they say
California Highway Patrol.
those guys with the motorcycles, right? Chips, right? And so it's a lot of awareness. It's changing the paradigm. And so we've gotten a lot of good customers already. We focused heavily on some mom and pops, and now we're very aggressively going after some REITs. Recently we signed a deal with a group called Morrison Senior Living that managed, I think, 600-700 senior living facilities around the country.
That's big.
And that's the change. And so now we're going into that kind of growth capability, and that's where we're working hard for the coming year.
What's your background?
I'm an engineer with an MBA and started out in the energy world, initially on the technical side, and then this is the second company I've now run.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the website for more information, especially you business owners out there that want to deal with chips.
www.americandg.com.
Barry J. Sanders, American DG Energy. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is ADGE. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you from the Aegis Capital Healthcare and Technology Conference right here in Las Vegas. Barry, thanks for coming.
Thanks, Shelley.